Well, good morning from Walmart in Statesville, North Carolina. So we picked our camper up yesterday. We brought it in for some repairs in December. We went through the list of things that they were supposed to work on, and I say 80% of them were couldn't replicate. Job complete. So we got here last night. We're going to put our stabilizers down. And that one won't go down. We've got the camper all hooked up. Starting to snow. It's snowing at home with that. It's gonna be cleared up. Now we're down here. It's starting to snow here too, so we've got to hit the road.
Say hi.
Hi.
Seriously pushing the door.
I'm coming. I'm coming. It is so busy. Oh, stuck on the door. All right. Well, good morning from Walmart in Statesville, North Carolina. Packing up, heading out. Oh, this truck is so gross. Camper's so gross. Hopefully you can find somebody to wash it. Like you can see the granules of gunk on it. Let's look. There are certain things that I don't like to keep in the camper when we're traveling. Maybe that'll change when we go full time. But like I always bring my medications and laptops back and forth every time we stop. Whoop. Here's Greg's drinks that he made. Hopefully they don't explode at all on us. Supposed to open it and burp them. Let's try to do this. Oh, it is cold. So when we picked our camper up yesterday, they brought it in for some repairs in December. We went through the list of things that they were supposed to work on, and I say 80% of them were couldn't replicate. Job complete. So we get here last night, we're going to put our stabilizers down. And that one won't go down. So we're going to have to override that, bring it down with a socket. And I'm hoping this lady doesn't actually park there so we can get out. Gotta hurry up before this parking lot gets too full. This slide can go in, I think. I've got those sockets right here. We'll just leave them in the truck afterwards and then bring them back in. Everything is such a mess. We just throw everything in here. Yes, that's locked. It's supposed to be 60 by the time we get to Savannah today. At least the sun is out. We haven't even seen the sun.
You know what that cologne might do?
The Tommy?
Yeah.
It's up here. On the top. Are you stinky?
I'll make sure I'm out.
You need more than cologne.
Alright. Those go. You got this, the hatch put down.
So we need the 5.
Locked. Can you use the bathroom again?
I just did.
Lead is off. Turn the gas off.
I can't read these. I'm blind.
Seriously?
Well, they're just engraved
What size
in.
are you
Is
looking
that
for?
that's 7?
What size are you looking for?
5/16. So I would assume that would be the next one down. Next one up. That's 1/2.
7/16 you said?
5.
You need 5/16?
I need
What was
5.
that one?
7/16.
Oh.
3/8. What the hell? I don't know how to read these.
That's 6/16. So the next one down would be 5/16.
It's 5/16. Can I just grab them and try them until they fit? Done.
Empty.
All right.
But you can slide in?
Yeah, I can do that. Fingers crossed. This works. Eat fast. Not moving. Last night it moved a little bit, then just got stuck right there. Obviously it came down a little bit, but then it went back up a little bit. See down? It kind of nudges. Move back up. Yep. So it won't come down. I mean, like, it won't come down, but it won't come back up either. Ooh. It is old. Nope, it went down a hair, but it won't go back up. So we'll have to just disconnect that battery. So you can stand there. I hate putting everything in this garage. You know, you go through and you organize it, and then you get to a campsite, take everything out, set everything up, and then you put it all back, and it just doesn't stay organized. Well, you only have one, right? We only have one garage for all of our stuff. You definitely need more storage. Okay, so the bucket is out. That's up. Did you disconnect the battery?
Oh.
Did you put the bucket in the truck?
Yep.
Okay, so I can close this. It says to disconnect the wire, but I don't know where the wire is. So we're gonna have to just try it with the battery. You doing this? You can pop the little one off. Might not be. I have fingernails. I might really get it. Just don't want to lose it. And here's this. And then it just says, obviously, I think it was right goes up, left goes down, but I don't remember. Maybe not. Oh, my fingers. Oh, okay, so left goes up. Good times. Is it bent? Oh, weird. Just kind of. It's like it was bent or something. There's like a. That's weird. All right, I'll put this back on. And then.
Where's the? Is this on the counter still?
I think so. Oh, look at. I told you we were going to lose it. We should have wagered. We keep losing this piece that goes over that. Like, it will not stay. We actually glued it in place, but then we brought it because the awning wasn't working. I have my team. Awning isn't working, so that was another thing for the repairs. It was to fix the awning. And when we went to pick it up, I noticed that that thing looked loose, and he's like, "Oh no, we didn't even touch that. We had to fix some wiring somewhere. It was disconnected." So I was okay. I kept looking at it going, we're going to lose it. It doesn't look right. It's gone. Welcome to RV life. All right, we're going to get in the truck. One little quick walk around. We always do a walk around.
You never
I'll check
last
the
night.
I was wondering, I woke up at like 4 o'clock. I was like, I wonder if we ever unplugged the truck. I'll check the brakes. Do you want to walk around, just double check everything? And then I go and check the brakes. Oh, we're not going to get far with our tires chopped. Can you tell it's been a little while? Oh my gosh. I swear, it's like you do this like all summer long, or you take a nice long trip and everything just becomes routine. You do it. You know what you're doing every time. And then you take a couple of months off and you completely forget.